Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, members, and guests. It's pleasure to be here today, Sunday evening, spending with such beautiful, colorful people. So, as general evaluator, my task generally is to help evaluate the prepared speeches. But since there are no prepared speeches today, so I will be evaluating the meeting and all the speakers in general. So I will keep a tap on what you do, what you speak, including my team. To assist me, I have couple of role players, and we as a team are in full theme of colorful hats and same color t-shirts, which you can see. And I'm very sure our vibrant Toastmaster Ayushi will bring all bright rainbow colors to the meeting and make it colorful and a happy one. So let me introduce my tag team. Time is like a river. You cannot touch same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. I request my timer, Toastmaster Piyush, to give the timing guidelines to all of us. Over to you, Toastmaster Piyush.
Hello and very good evening to all the fellow Toastmasters and guests. I am Toastmaster Piyush Jain, timer of today's meeting. Let me tell you what my role is. My role as a timer is to count the timing of all the sessions held during the sessions. But today there is only one session, that is table topic session. So the timing for the table topic session is 1 to 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I will show you the green slide. Let me show you the example. Just give me a minute. At 1 minute, I will show you the green slide. At 1 minute 30 seconds, I will show you the yellow slide. At 2 minutes, I will show you the red slide. And there will be a grace period of 30 seconds for each of the speaker. Means at 2 minutes 30 seconds, the speaker will be disqualified. This is all from me. Over to you, General Evaluate.
Thank you, Toastmaster Piyush, for guiding us on time guidelines. Um, uh, I mean, um, this is exactly Toastmasters Simi will help us avoid in our speeches. So don't consider my arms this one. This is just for the example. Now I request our counter Toastmaster Simi to give brief about her role. Her role plays a very, very important role in making our speech get that adjective of speechless. Over to you, Toastmaster Simi.
Thank you, GM. Thank you, General Manager Pinky. First of all, a very good evening to all of you. So today, I'm going to play a role of a counter, and I believe taking on this role will improve my observational and listening skills. So just imagine if you're on a date with your boyfriend and girlfriend, and there's the romantic evening, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Then, and he or she proposes you on the date and you're stuck suddenly. Instead of saying yes or no, you just like, and giving a strange reaction. What do you think? How does it sound? Or how did the person feel who has proposed you? I know answers from you. Okay, let me tell you. For sure, their
Embarrassed.
confidence, yeah, they feel embarrassed. Or for sure, their confidence will break down and they become nervous. So similarly, this happens when a role taker or a particular speaker take pauses or use repetitive words. So today, as a counter, I'm going to note down all CRPF. CRPF stands for crutch, repeats, pauses, and filler words. What's inappropriate interjection like so many, but basically and sounds like and I urge you, Toastmasters, please try to avoid them and be clear with your speech. At the end, when General Evaluator asks, I'll give my comprehensive report to her. That's all from from my role. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Wow. Thank you, Toastmaster Simi, for such a beautiful guideline, and I really appreciate the kind of example you gave in your introduction and guideline. We all have studied Warren Martin grammar book. Remember that fat book in our school days, during our school days? But catch is, do we really follow what we learned actually? Now I request our grammarian Toastmaster Harshit to give brief about his role with his colorful choice of words. Over to you, Toastmaster Harshit.
Thank you, Madam General Evaluator. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. As a grammarian, it is my responsibility to pay close attention to all the speakers, listen carefully to their language usage. I take note of any improper language as well as any outstanding words, quotes, sayings, or thoughts. As a grammarian, it is also my duty to introduce the word of the day. As the topic for today's meeting is colors of life. So, for today's meeting, the word of the day chosen is rainbow, which means a display of different colors of spectrum produced by the dispersion of light. An example of the word says, the rainbow formed a beautiful arc in the sky. Each speaker is encouraged to use the word of the day as much as they can. I will give the grammarian's report when called upon during the meeting and also report on the usage of the word of the day. Thank you. Back to you, Madam General Evaluator.
Thank you, Toastmaster Harshit, for this guideline. Indeed, a colorful word of the day you have chosen. And I sincerely request all the members to use this word as much as you can in our interaction. Over to you, TMOD, star of the day, Ayushi.
Thank you so much, and let me highlight the point that you all were the box of crayons with the creativity and the way Toastmaster Harshit highlighted that paper with the rainbow. All was kudos to you for all that. And now, as you have like seen the how general evaluator will be taking the points of the meeting. So now let's move on to the first section. If our president is ready with the colors of the meeting. So are you ready? We get somehow comfortable with the environment. So now the session has been going very beautiful. So now I want to call upon a beautiful, elegant lady to judge the whole meeting and to let us know the jewel points and the recommendation we can work on. Because every might be we have been doing very good, but yes, we have some ideas to work. So Toastmaster Pinky, please help me welcome her. Back to you, Toastmaster Pinky.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ayushi. Thank you so much. And before I start with my general evaluation, I would really like to give a standing ovation to Toastmaster Sammy. So one round of applause for Toastmaster Sammy for giving such a mind-blowing, fantabulous speech I've ever heard. So unmute yourself and let's give him 3 cheers. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Yeah. So Sammy, I can't see you. Where are you? So I have a little surprise for you. Sammy there? Okay, so Sammy, you started with gift and how do you package gift, and you related it so well with a winning speech. So I have something for you. This is a box, and now something will open from this.
Wow.
Wonderful.
Okay, Sammy, you were such an amazing speaker, and I got to learn so much. And few things which I learned from you. So this is a desk organizer. I wish I could send you, but yes, whenever we meet, I would love to gift you this. So
you can give it to me, Pinky. I will hand it over to him next time we meet.
Sure. So one thing which I learned was there's a difference between speaking and talking. I'm so glad in my first month of Toastmaster I got to know this, because if someone asked me after 6 months that Pinky, you're a Toastmaster, can you tell me the difference between speaking and talking? It would have been an embarrassing moment for me, but today I'm so proud and so glad that I got to know this. So thank you so much. And one more important thing which I picked up from your speeches, where I put here, is the flow. So entertaining, inform, and persuade and inspire. Such a beautiful thing.
Wow.
So thank you so much, and I will send it through Divya to you. Divya is my school friend, and we stay nearby in Jaipur. So whenever she is in Jaipur next, I will send goodies for you and for her as well, because she is my inspiration to get me here in Toastmasters.
I love these books. I love it.
Thank you, Toastmasters Semi. So coming back to my role, Toastmaster Ayushi, should I call all my role players?
Yeah, please do.
Okay. So I will invite. First, I will invite Toastmaster Piyush, who was taking care of our timing. So yes, don't time Toastmaster Sammy, because it was such a mind-blowing speech. But yes, you can tell the time. But otherwise, for others, you can please help us know how we had timed our speeches. Over to you, Toastmaster Piyush.
Thank you, General Evaluator. So, for we are running out of time. So, all the speakers, all the table topic speakers are qualified, and I send the timing in the chat box. So, over to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you. That was very quick, Toastmaster Piyush. Thank you so much. I'm trying to call Toastmaster Simi. This is exactly what she was looking for in all our speeches. So over to you, Toastmaster Simi. Please tell us about all our fillers, unnecessary fillers which we use. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, General Validator. And I believe taking on this role will improve my observational and listening skills as well. And here's my script. Toastmaster Shriyans, can you please share the sliding? Okay. Thank you so much. Just wait. Okay. So CMOD Ayushi, you have three hands, arms, and five times of so, and three repetitive words. And Toastmaster Nikita, you had two arms, three ants, and two repeats. Wow, kudos to you. I really appreciate you. You don't have any red light. Toastmaster Ashish, you had seven arms, eight. That's all from my side. Over to you, General Validator.
Thank you, Toastmaster Simi. That was wonderful report. Really appreciate the kind of detailing you've done, and I'll try and reduce my knows and so's. Thank you so much. Now comes the important role where we were talking about Rare and Martin, what we've learned and what we've not learned. So over to you, Toastmaster Harshit. Please tell us about the grammar observations you've done today for the meeting. Over to you, Toastmaster Harshit.
Thank you, Madam General Evaluator. The attractiveness of correct grammar cannot be overstated. Good evening, all the members present today. I would like to congratulate all the speakers and evaluators. You have all shown like rainbows today. Coming towards my grammarian report, do you all remember today's word of the day, which was rainbow? So it was used a little bit less. I won't say very less, because the topic indeed was today the colors of life. So rainbow was already included in it. Coming towards the really good words which I saw, like suppress, childhood, appreciation, spark, peace, prosperity, joyfulness, influence. And a quote that I really liked, small things make big difference. It is indeed a very strong quote which we can all get influenced by. Overall, everyone was tremendous and ardent in their roles, and I sincerely apologize if I miss anyone or any part. I have tried to cover all the points which I observed and conveyed them with my best possible perspective. I wish we all shine like a rainbow in our lives, and no storm can ever stop us from doing that. Thank you so much. Back to you, Madam General Evaluator.
Wow, what an evaluation. Thank you, Toastmaster Harshit. Thank you so much for this detailed evaluation for all of us. This will indeed really help us. Thank you so much. Now I come to general evaluation. Whatever I could observe, I will just quickly let you know about this. So starting, we started almost on time, and Sa did a very good job as usual. She is darling, and I really like, mostly we miss clapping, so she really did, she clapped in the starting of the meeting. And Toastmaster Ashish, and he warmly welcomed all the guests, so that was really nice. And hero of our meeting, heroine or hero of our meeting, I would say, Toastmaster Ayushi. Brilliant theme of meeting today, colors, and indeed you brought a lot of colors in the meeting. Nice concept, and I really like the concept of red walls you gave, and it was quite informative. I was not knowing about this, so yeah, it was nice. I've written for a few of you, so I will just take name and then I will tell you. The Toastmaster Devansh, best part about his is he smiles and keep that subtle smile when he talks. Also, one small thing which I observed is, which we can learn from him. Also, when he's listening and somebody is talking to him, he ensures he nod his head to show that he's listening and he's with that person. Usually we make a face like that and we don't give that body language, and we got to learn so much from Sammy. I love the body language and the kind of gesture he was using. So amazing, got to learn so much. Toastmaster Ayushi, how each color influences was such an insightful session in every mid break. Toastmaster Piyush, yes, you did, amazing role, and this hat was really adding to it. But only one thing which I thought we could use these sheets in instead of the PPT. And Toastmaster Simi so beautifully explained your role that proposal of girl and boy was really a good example. Otherwise, usually we just define a role and go. So, yes, very nice. And Toastmaster Harshit, it was really nice that you showed that sheet with the word of the day. So, that was quite innovative, because when you do things differently, it actually attracts and remain on word of, top of the mind. Toastmaster Nikita, truly a darling when she speaks. She speaks directly from heart, and I really love that. So kudos to you. Lots to learn from you. And Toastmaster Sachin, your background by chance was yellow, I guess, but it looked like that you had, chosen that background, because today's theme was colors. Today's theme was, rainbow colors. So it looked really nice. Even if you've not chosen, it was really looking nice. And I would suggest that when we have such theme, we should use those kind of props or background, or do something so that to create that spark and add little spice to the meeting. Good spice, not a bad spice. And Toastmaster Ashish, I must say, a very beautiful table topics. I enjoyed it, and I also participated in it. Very beautiful topics, and I really like the kind of presentation you made with the pictorial and the also written part. Warm welcome to all the guests was nice. And Toastmaster Tarun, you are full of expression, and when you were asked to talk, you were in full theme of colors and in a full theme of that girlfriend topic which you were given. Nice. And Toastmaster Akshara, you also did good and you managed to qualify the time. But I request that next time when you do, please switch on your camera. And a few feedbacks, suggestions overall I have is, like I said, while talking, when you are speaking, always switch on the camera, which Toastmaster Sammy also pointed. It's very important because we can see the speaker and body language and expressions, so we can relate it so nicely. So yes, I request all of us, including me, whenever we are talking, we should switch on the camera. And while talking, body language should be used. If we talk like this, then little bit look monotonous. But yes, if we could use our body language, not too much, but yes, little bit, because at times by mistake we point fingers like this, so it little distracts. So we can use hands like this, That's what I have learned from Toastmaster Sammy today. And I think there was a mistake that table topic was introduced before general evaluator, so we could manage that later. We managed it. And one small thing which I, a grammarian, missed it is that there were few instances where speakers were trying to introduce and say, can you introduce? So when we are asking guests, especially guests, to introduce, we should have that little request in a polite mode saying that, can I request you to please introduce yourself, or please and request, those kind of things. But I truly, truly, truly enjoyed this colorful theme, and I'm in a totally rainbow mood. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the Toastmasters and Toastmaster Ayushi, Toastmaster Sammy. Thank you so much, and Toastmaster Divya also. Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Toastmaster Pinky, you are the, I just, like I pointed out yesterday, you are the really creative champ. And being the major host of the meeting, I don't created such amazing, such creative things. And you have created such amazing things, like the cap and the box and the gift for the Sammy was amazing. And this rainbow part was amazing. And I must say, you all were the rainbows of today's meeting. Your whole tag team was a rainbow. But now, as the meeting is going to be on the end, so I just want to call one person who
So the best role players is none other than Pinky. Color magic of the color. And the auxiliary role player is Toastmaster. Lucky you, we share the same letters. Simi. You just need one A in between, you become Sammy, and that's it. That's all. You got everything you want in life. And the third table topic again. Oh, the best role players also go for Pinky. Lovely. That's the best table topic speaker is Nikita and Pinky.
Oh.
amazing.
I feel like I'm in DTAC announcing the winners. There was no disqualification this time due to time or otherwise. I'm glad to say that.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Sammy. I just want to quote something for you. Sometimes the smallest things take up the meeting of the most room in our heart. And today you was our heart and you was the color of the meeting. And you really